In this video, I'm talking about hot wet background image on your Microsoft Excel. Now, just go to the insert and here you can select save. You have to select any one software. I just select rectangular. Now select the background image area. Okay, it's done. Now right click here, then go to save format. Here you have to select picture. Then you have to change the picture from the file. Now select the picture. Then insert. Then you have to change transparency. It's done. Thanks for watching. Sorry for my bad English. I'm not expert on English. Thanks again.